We always need the black sheep, so we have the Indian.
Right, right.
Vacation! What do we want vacation?
You know what? I tell people, as soon as you can go. Yeah. Retire. And you know, like I said, I came out here in the Navy, and I was at the Navy, and we went into the yards in Long Beach. That's why I wound up in Long Beach. Good fighting. Force flyer or beam or something. And
So awesome.
So I said, I never want to see another ship as long as I live.
Ready?
Yep, go. Clear.
Okay.
Clear.
Alright. That was our first stop, and we met some really nice people to take our pictures. This is a place where you're gonna have a hard time concentrating on the road because it's such a cool place. You want to just look around and see everything.
There's a lot to see. I should have told that guy about Capitol Reef. He liked this place.
Right. That couple we just met on the Harleys, they said they just sold a business so they could do this trip. They've been planning it for 2 years.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the thing on the long trips. You got a lot of planning.
A lot of this road I completely forgot about. I mean,
yeah, it's overwhelming. So you know, it's like you go through it and you go, wow, man, I saw all that stuff. And you're right. There's all kinds of things that I don't remember. A couple things I do remember.
lots of people all over here. Watch out for pedestrians. Slow them down,
Yeah.
slow them down.
Slowing her down, folks. Slowing her down.
I guess there's a trail or something. Why are we stopping?
Canyon Overlook Trailhead. Well, sometimes they let a group go one way through the tunnel.
Oh, that's
You
right.
get away.
I remember that now. This is so weird.
Yeah. Imagine there's thousands and thousands of tons of rocks on top of it. And yet, here we are.
It's quite breezy through here.
Yeah. Gotta keep the fumes out. Every time I try and look out of one of these openings on the right side, I get vertigo.
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa.
Here we go.
Favorite part.
Wowzers. Holy crap.
Yeah, you got these two big boys. Need a special trip.
What's that?
These two big RVs will need a special trip. You got to get permits and everything
Oh, wow.
ahead of time.
Okay,
Then
here
you
we
switch
go.
back.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry. Big old cliff.
Whee. Kept thinking for some reason that we were coming in from the other end first. That's why nothing looked
Yeah,
little
'cause
later.
I think I've been through it. I don't know if I've been through it both ways or that way every time. The way we just came. I don't remember. We were just inside that big old rock right there, though, on your right.
Yeah. Oh, you see that hawk?
Is that a hawk? Yeah.
We should have stopped there for a picture, I guess.
Coming back this way.
This place is amazing.
Heck yeah. I like it. Like it a lot.
Don't look over the edge, you'll get vertigo.
I already have it.
Wow.
See the road up there.
I'm gonna go too fast around here because I don't know if they're gonna be stopped.
Okay.
Awesome. you haven't been to Zion, you should come. It's pretty amazing.
Okay, and you're clear for track. It's up. Clear for track. That was awesome. You guys pulling out, and somebody pulled in right in front of me. The day is young.
Hello, so we are at Zion National Park Visitor Center, and I happened to overhear the French language and see all these motorcycles parked here and just thought I'd say hi. So are you in the States just for a major trip, or?
Yeah, we're in the States for a major trip. We're doing Route 66.
Route 66, how awesome.
So we left from Chicago, from Quebec City.
Okay.
In Canada.
Oh, okay.
And we drove all the way to Chicago, where we catch Highway 6,
oh,
Route
nice.
66. And then we're going along all the way to Santa Monica.
Oh.
We decided to stop and in Kingsman and
Nice.
drive up to Las Vegas to come to see Zion Park.
That's very cool. So you're from Canada, not France?
No,
Okay.
we're from Canada, yeah.
Okay, so I don't know the difference between the French there and the French in France.
I don't want to insult the French people in France, but our friends from Quebec is a bit pure
Okay.
than from. We don't have as many anglicism that they do over there.
Okay.
Like we still say fin de semaine, we don't say weekend.
Nice.
So certain things like that. We don't say parking, we say stationnement.
So these are all your bikes? You didn't rent
Yeah.
them?
No, it's on our bike. So we left. We have approximately 6,000 kilometers done so far.
Oh, how very cool. So you guys all took off from work and...
Yeah, we all took, we planned, and then we said, okay, we're going to be gone for 26 days.
Very
And
cool.
So we left September 1st, and we should be back home on the 26th.
That's very awesome.
That's the plan.
Wow. So you're having a good time?
Oh yeah, we have a gorgeous time.
Nice. Well,
It's
thank
very
you
great.
for your time.
You're welcome.
It's nice to meet you, and oh, you guys ride safe. Is this your bike?
My bike.
Very nice. Very
So
nice.
We're driving, there's 2 Honda Goldwing,
Okay.
there's 2 Harleys, and there's, we
Oh.
only need the black sheep, so we have the Indian for the black
Right,
sheep.
right. Well, that's a hell of a nice group of bikes.
All right,
Thank you for your time.
you're welcome.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My Sena battery died for recording video, so I'm not going to be doing it from the helmet for the rest of the day. There's nobody, nobody, just goats over there.
Yeah. To be very honest, I still don't have a motorbike license.
Oh, okay.
I never got it.